Looking to get fit and healthy? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to our exciting new series that's all about fitness and health. This series is your one-stop destination for all things fitness, where we'll dive deep into the world of muscle gain, fat loss, diet, and much more. Each episode will be a treasure trove of valuable insights backed by scientific research and expert advice. We'll explore the best ways to build muscle, shed those stubborn pounds, and create a diet plan that works for you. We'll also share some good habits that can make staying fit a breeze. The goal is simple: to empower you with the knowledge you need to lead a healthier, fitter life. So whether you're a fitness newbie or a seasoned pro, this series has something for everyone. Stay tuned for a fitness journey that will change your life. Aren't you excited to embark on a journey that will help you redefine your lifestyle? Now let's dive deeper into what you can expect from this upcoming series. We're going to cover an array of topics, from muscle gain to fat loss, diet, and good habits, all presented in a way that's both fun and engaging. We're not just about theory, we give you practical, easy-to-follow advice. Whether you're a seasoned fitness enthusiast or a newbie, this series is tailored to provide valuable insights for everyone. We'll delve into the science of muscle gain and the best strategies to lose fat effectively. We'll also shed light on the role of diet in maintaining a healthy lifestyle and the good habits that can make staying fit easier than you think. We've got a lot of exciting content lined up, and we can't wait to share it with you. So get ready to transform your body and mind with our upcoming series. Ready to join the fitness revolution and become the best version of yourself? The benefits of this upcoming series are numerous, and they're all aimed at helping you reach your goals. We're going to dive deep into the world of fitness, covering everything from muscle gain, fat loss, diet, and maintaining good habits for staying fit. This isn't just about watching videos, it's about becoming part of a community where everyone is working towards their own fitness goals. You'll have the opportunity to learn, grow, and even share your own experiences. So what are you waiting for? The time to take action is now. Subscribe to our channel and be a part of this growing community. Stay tuned for our series, where we'll help you navigate your path to fitness, providing you with the tools you need to succeed. Remember, the journey to fitness begins with a single step. Take that step by subscribing to our channel and joining our community. See you in the first episode of our series.